What's up? Welcome back. My name. Today we are learning why all, deaf, hard of hearing people don't have hearing aids or just like a cochlear implant. First of all, are you talking about people who are born deaf or when they grew up they became deaf? It's all a choice. People are proud to be deaf and they don't want devices to have them hear because being deaf is also a community and a culture in itself. And some people have it to help and they think it's going to help, and also it doesn't always work. I have 2 hearing aids, hate them, don't like them, don't wear them. I rely on lip reading and I'm more than happy to do so. And some people who have cochlear implants doesn't mean they're less deaf. Sometimes it doesn't work and they don't like it, so not all of them have it.